All right, so this is a demonstration video of an at-home practice that you can try, and this is perhaps for maybe those more adventurous yogis that want to try something a little more challenging, and also only if it serves you. So this is something I used to do as a kid a lot. I really love it. It's sort of a supported version with a chair or with a couch of Matsyasana, as we're exploring that shape in a different orientation in space, sort of the kind of inverted version, even though Matsyasana I think is an inversion anyways, as your heart is above your head. You're just kind of rotating yourself a little bit in space. So we're just gonna get to it. I'm gonna demonstrate how to play with the posture, and then once you're there, once you test it out at home, just, connect to your breath and have fun. If anything doesn't feel like it's gonna be supportive for you, if you're having neck issues, if you have glaucoma, headaches, it's probably not the best practice for you to try. So just be mindful, move into anything that's new, nice and slow. So you're gonna actually start in your chairs or your couch. And then you're gonna swing your legs up the back of the chair and try to scoot your hips toward the back edge. And of course, everyone's chairs at home might be a little different. Everyone's anatomy is a little different. So you might find that you have supports at home that support this, or you might find nope, because of your own anatomy, because of the dimensions of the support of the chair or the couch, it may not feel right. And it's only recommended with a really stable base. Like, this is a very big, cushy chair. I'm not worried about it tipping on me. So I'm gonna have my legs up the back of the chair, and then I'm going to start to recline. Now, about my mid-scapula finds the edge of the seat of the chair. And then from that, I'm just gonna continue to allow my head to move down toward the earth. And I did place a pillow there to support my head. I'm gonna take out my hair so the crown of my head can find the ground. And then I might have to adjust myself, like I'm gonna move my hips a little further away from the chair to just get that where that edge is on my spine in that nice comfy place. Now my arms can just be falling like a waterfall. I might try bringing the palms to frame my face, the elbows to move in and press into my palms, and maybe add a little more activation there. So really you can make it your own. Just play and breathe. Nice deep breaths. And just have fun. Once you're there, you kind of feel like a bat, maybe hanging upside down. And to come out of it, you might have to listen to your body and what feels right for you. For me, I like to just kind of roll, push my hands down so there's no weight on my head, and roll to one side. Sometimes if I'm feeling really adventurous, I'll use my hands to push into the earth, and I'll kick my feet over. But again, that's only if you feel safe in doing so. Don't try anything that you're worried about injury. But I encourage you to try that at home and have fun if you feel like a little adventure.